Have you ever bought a juicer with good intentions, only to stop using it because prepping ingredients took forever and cleaning felt like another chore? For many people, the biggest obstacle to healthy habits isn't motivation, it's convenience. If you're looking for a juicer that makes fresh juice easier to fit into everyday life, this one is worth a closer look. Today, we're reviewing the LQZ Cold Press Juicer, a 350-watt slow masticating juicer designed for health-conscious families, beginners, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to enjoy fresh fruit and vegetable juice at home. With its oversized 5.4-inch feed chute, low-speed extraction system, and easy-to-clean design, it aims to simplify the entire juicing process from start to finish. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the LQZ juicer makes a good impression with its modern black finish and compact footprint. It has a clean, minimalist appearance that looks right at home on most kitchen countertops without feeling bulky. The extra wide feed chute is easily one of its biggest advantages. Instead of spending several minutes chopping apples, cucumbers, carrots, or other produce into tiny pieces, you can often feed whole fruits or larger sections directly into the machine. That translates into less prep work, which makes it much easier to stick with a daily juicing routine. The overall build feels solid and thoughtfully designed. One feature that stands out is the blade-free feed chute, which automatically stops the machine if the lid is opened. It's a simple safety feature, but it's especially reassuring if you have children around or simply want extra peace of mind while using the appliance. Everything locks together securely, and the straightforward design keeps assembly from becoming frustrating, even if you've never owned a juicer before. Performance is where this machine really earns its place. Unlike high-speed centrifugal juicers that can generate heat and foam, the LQZ uses a slow 50 revolutions per minute masticating process to gently crush fruits and vegetables. In everyday terms, that means smoother juice with less foam and better extraction from ingredients like celery, spinach, apples, carrots, ginger, oranges, and cucumbers. The juice tastes fresh and clean, while the remaining pulp comes out relatively dry, helping you get more from every piece of produce. It's also noticeably quieter than many traditional juicers, making it a great option for early mornings when the rest of the household is still asleep. Using it every day is refreshingly simple. There aren't complicated settings to memorize, and once everything is assembled, operation is straightforward. Cleanup is another pleasant surprise. Since the juicer is built with only a few primary components, disassembly takes very little time. The included cleaning brush makes it easy to remove pulp from the filter, and most parts rinse clean with warm water in just a few minutes. For people who avoid using juicers because of the difficulty of cleanup, this is one of the strongest selling points. No product is perfect, though. Like most cold press juicers, this model works more slowly than centrifugal alternatives. If you're making large batches of juice for several people, you'll need a little more patience. It's also important to align the parts correctly during assembly, since the safety system prevents operation unless everything is locked into place properly. Fortunately, once you become familiar with the setup, it quickly becomes second nature. Compared with other slow juicers in this price range from brands like Chef, Chute, and Ido, the LQZ stands out thanks to its extra-wide 5.4-inch feed chute, quiet operation, and beginner-friendly design. Many competing models still require much more chopping beforehand, while this one reduces prep time considerably. Combined with strong juice extraction and easy maintenance, it offers impressive value for everyday home use. Overall, the LQZ Cold Press Juicer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants healthier habits without adding extra hassle to their daily routine. It's especially well suited for first-time juicer owners, busy families, meal preppers, and anyone who regularly enjoys fresh fruit and vegetable juice. If speed is your only priority, a centrifugal juicer may be a better fit. But if you care about juice quality, quieter performance, and getting more from your produce, the LQZ is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews, and check the link in the description to see today's latest price and available deals before they change.